Hello guys, Brian back here with the Kaspa update. I wanted to get a video out today because I don't believe I'm going to be putting one out tomorrow. I got some plans tomorrow, so I apologize. So I want to get one out today, but looks like we have come down to that area that we were talking about yesterday, and we are bouncing from there. Okay, we were down 6% earlier. We're down 2.19 now as I'm making this video. We're going to go over these RSIs in a second. I want to show you Bitcoin real quick because there's a price area I want you to definitely keep an eye on with this thing. This thing ends up coming back up, okay, and getting rejected up here at right around 27,500. All right, and it starts rolling back over from there. I would imagine that this is doing a 5-wave down here. Okay, so that'd be 2, 3, that 4th wave coming back up here and getting rejection, and a 5th wave down. So I'll be keeping an eye on that thing for sure. But also looks like Bitcoin dominance is ready to have a breakdown here. Okay, this is on the 4-hour chart. It is getting a bounce at the bottom there, but if we move over to the daily, you can see this thing is it's correcting now, and if we pull the RSIs up, you can see the RSIs are bearish on it, 45, 86, and a 65, really bearish on it. And the last couple times this thing has corrected on the daily, and you can see it's even made a lower high here too, which isn't a good sign for the dominance. We want the dominance to break down, because if it breaks down, that means the altcoins, every other coin but Bitcoin, are gonna start flying every single time Bitcoin dominance breaks down. That's great for the rest of the market. So you can see the last, like I was saying, the last couple times this thing has corrected on the daily 2.5%. Time before that was, roughly almost 4%. Right now this thing is down. It's only down 1% where it's at right now. So if it comes down anywhere it's even close to the other areas, then we have a breakdown for sure out of this. Also, that weekly is at the top of this thing, so it's due for a correction, that's for sure. It's been up here quite a while, so you can see all these other times it's got to this height, it's gotten rejected out of here, all these times through here. Now we're back up here again, so hopefully it gets knocked down. If we get a drop like this one here, boy, that would really shoot the rest of the market flying. So let's get back over to Kaspa here. This falling wedge, obviously we're still in it. That's the weekly chart. We talk about that stochastic RSI on that weekly, which I love seeing that reset, 105 and a 70. It's only a matter of time before this thing really starts going. But the daily, and if I could ask you to please hit the like and subscribe, guys, before I forget, that'd be great. But let's take a look at this chart without them RSIs real quick. You can see this candle is getting sucked up pretty good, which means there's buyers stepping in down here. I know we have a red candle down here, but that's, or red bars down here, but that's on the daily. If we put it on the 4-hour, you can see some buy volume coming in down there, 35 million and 4.6 million right down here. So you can see the 4-hour, we're getting a nice bounce out of here. If we put them RSIs back up here, you can see the 4-hour, the stochastic is reset and heading up. The 4-hour, the 8-hour is heading back up, it's reset, and the 12-hour is actually curving back up. You see the regular RSI down there, see how that thing is pointing right back up. So this one is, the stochastic is starting to bend back up. All right, and that daily only came up, on the regular RSI, it only came up to a 46. So that's roughly halfway. This thing could spin back up at any time. Like I said, that candle is getting definitely ate up in here. So there's a lot of people besides me thinking a bottom is in here. All right, now if we end up putting an extension on that thing, if this all plays out right and that is a bottom, would be looking, this thing, trend-based extension would be giving us a target up at 4.8, which would take out this high over here. So we'll just have to see how it plays out, guys, but it's looking pretty good to me. So looks like bottom might be in here, and we'll see if we can get this rally started. We're down to minus 2.0% as I'm making this video, so all them losses are getting sucked up for the day, so that's great to see. So everybody have a great night. If we have a breakout of this wedge, I will get a video out tomorrow no matter what. So thank you so much, guys. Please hit the like and subscribe. I will talk to you very soon. Have a great night.